Abawa. When you just say, "Who can free me?" and co Emrao, Yanewa. Na eda ye jana kwan kura. Wa wunim nipa doma e bae. Enti yentimi ama me bonsa. Eye yaye ye wie. Na so yentimi enya wo saa. Enti efiafo nyina yakeke nsase kakra. Se eja me fa we ma. Me fa ke pato so. Eto so bion wa wunim kunu. Modern ba obo. Eden wa ne kada. Bo so me bia ne ho eduru ya wantuaka. Se samne wa firi mu. Eti me so ma ye madwen sade kakra me ye na me dia boa wo ne se. Edan no. Obetem afia wontua ekabia.
Tira, we dey. Na me show.
Awie, so futu kakra pese me ma ne se. E se eja. Esu nyame ono ano de ma. Na ono aso no fa. Sisi awie ho bebebe a wudi ehu nya. Ese nkoda na akachide no. E na odwene ho. Enti pepo ni wanu nsuo. Na dwene nkoda no.
Eja. Enti amedia we won. Sisi awo jo baby akofie dua. Sisi awo ko secondary school. Obafo ni wan ni obafo bia. Me ni no bias.
Abawa, don't worry. If God creates you a blind person, He also gives you somebody to hold your step. I have therefore decided to take responsibility of Kofi's school fees.
Ben, I mean,
God bless you, Ben. God bless you. Look, Abawa, don't worry. We will all do everything within our means to make life easier for you. Please, don't worry.
Oh, Abawa. It's okay. Stop crying, okay?
Baya. Baya. Today, your Reverend Kwan is just superb. What meat did you use?
I used your favorite meat. But
what?
Darling, the cost. Darling, can I ask you for a favor?
Oh, go ahead.
Please, darling, increase the money to 15,000 cedis. The 10,000 cedis is not enough.
You are sick, huh? You are sick. How can you ask me for such a stupid favor? As someone who can open home, huh? Look, Ebra, the more time. Never been home before you come back to me. I was even thinking you were coming to ask me to reduce it to 5,000. Robertson has a 15,000 and then say what so? Do I ask you for rent? Do you pay for electricity and water bills? Don't come and spoil my appetite.
Darling, have I said something wrong?
Look, if you don't shut your big mouth, I'll shut it for you. The margins can create an episode don't say where you minimum. Fiako. Sorry, call me na any. The sick a cry now, but you're because Cassim.
Abawa. How does you shoot?
About Jan. Baba, when you say, who come through me? Oh, you're my uncle, papa. Okay? Sabana, sir. A quambia, my first biara, when you beji biano, my first what? See what she did now. When you're not too so. Maybe be here, what? And so about Jansu. Abawa, Jessica, now 50 years, Okanya, any issue look away.
Yes, I don't should go back short.
Oh, yeah. Would you fat, would you be here, and I cannot at all? Why?
I'm sure what's that's I'm sure.
Me cook room, me person my baby to say, why? Just so. About.
There's no money on the table, huh? And we don't have food at home.
I don't have money.
You don't have money?
Shut up! Are you the one to tell me how to use my money? If there's no food, you fast. Nonsense.
Oh, God. Is this marriage or master and housemaid?
Duffy, take the bucket from Ben and fetch the water for him.
Blabbing!
What is it?
Let me fetch the water for you.
Oh, thank you. But are you not cooking? Please go and do the cooking.
I am almost completed. Let me fetch it for you.
Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Mama, I am fed up with Collins. I have to beg him for money.
Yeah, cheer up. Maybe he doesn't have money.
He has. Every day he buys new clothes for himself. If he does not have, I mean, how can he keep on shopping for himself?
Yeah. Your husband is handsome. He has to appear neat. He's doing this for you. Aren't you proud of him? Look at these beautiful children that he's produced for us. Just look at them. Just look at them.
Mama, do I have to beg him for money? I am fed up.
Told you to come to me for money whenever the need arises. See, I don't want you and your husband to argue over money. And listen, men like your husband are not easy to come by. At least you get beautiful children. Let's see. Take this. I think it's enough. Yeah, go home. Go home when you're Bema. What's the make a chum? Hey, how much it? Now, crowing him around why? Refi, Mobo, or Sre. Is Oyana a chirash? You know, Rosreme. Sanana, you reverend quite come a sin war a rear. They say, would be so a pump. I know could be was some mamma. And then a man must say, couldn't say any catch on. Oh, why you? One when you'll be betting was at you. A groom had yourself where winning.
I'm having a car home.
I went to offer last Friday, but he couldn't honor his promise.
Oh, so fast time you be a catcher. What for you done him way and the be also the fast time you damn. What for a Cassidy way who couldn't know what done in the sea. I am a man for you who crab and Jazzy. Or but class of natural, Illu and I, but similar of Papa. Hello, for you. Bye bye. Yo, don't we?
Yo, sister. Bye. Aba. Bema bela kujana kwa.
O for you. O ye mi nua o.
Ujiri.
Mi nua bema.
Na be yiri mehun.
Oh, enye we ni asma no me wo fa horse ahwi no. Refi.
My son is good. My son is good.
You're not going to do my baby. Oh,
David. Oh, Biddy, a born by. Now, Osha, a memorable pass. And go in to between to me already. That's so baby.
Oh, when you're born a council, who know how the man dream be and be added.
You, Mr. Michelle,
and General.
Stadifi, could you please wash my clothes for me?
Oh, Braben, you need not to beg me to do your washing for you.
And please take this for soap.
No, I have enough soap. Please take the money.
Oh no, you don't need to use your soap for me. Please take the money. Duffy, take my keys. I will not be home all today. So fetch some water for me.
Ben.
My hands are clean.
Duffy, bra. Duffy, I saw Ben giving his keys to you this morning, and now you're cooking for him. But let me warn you before you make any mistake. He has a wife. She has gone to the village to deliver.
Sister Cha, there is nothing going on between us. He just gave me his keys to fetch water for him.
Sister Cha, there is nothing. Hey, a word to your wife is enough. I don't want you to waste your time on him. So what else will make up? Wait. Is it when you're Safana? What was it? Call him. give me is not enough for us and the children.
Look, Eraba, I have had enough of your complaints. If you think the money I give you is not enough, I would advise you to quit.
Please, Collins. You know things are expensive now. So if I complain, you shouldn't be angry.
That is nonsense. That is nonsense. What do you expect me to do? Huh? For me to sit down, for you to yell at me? Let me tell you, Eraba, there are some women who are ready to feed and clothe me. But because of you, I can't even give in to their demands. I'll be happier if you pack your things and leave my room. In fact, if it hadn't been for your mother, I would have sacked you a long time ago. Nehumpi.
No cry. I am not. I won't cry. Don't cry. Why? Don't cry, okay? Please. Why are you crying? Don't cry, okay? Don't. Don't cry. Oh God.
Raven, good evening.
Oh, hello, good evening.
I have brought your clothes.
Oh, thank you. Please put them down.
Fifi, why are you trying to avoid me?
Have I done something wrong to you?
No.
Then why? Please sit down. Please. I want to discuss something with you. I like you very much. I hope you know that. I want to marry you.
Do you want to marry me? No, Braben, I can't marry you.
Oh, Fifi, why? You don't like me?
I like you, but I can't marry you. Please, I'm leaving.
Oh, Fifi.
Oh, Braben.
Somebody is misinforming this girl about me.
Buffy, Ben has told me that he wants to marry you. What have you to say?
Ofa, you know he has a wife. Me, I don't want to be a second wife.
Who told you Ben is married? Eh?
Nah, are you sure he's not married?
I have known Ben for 2 years and he's not married.
But somebody told me he has a wife and she has gone to the village to deliver.
It is a complete lie. Huh? You must be very careful about the people you call friends. No, Kumasi Yonko and your Yonko Pa.
Opa, I can't believe this.
It is true.
level ground.
Hey, oh yeah, now.
My name is Sammy.
Maybe something. So red.
I'm looking for Abawa.
Abawa, what you crying?
When is she coming back?
Who are? As my baby, you wouldn't yes, assume. Huh? The sort to cry. Let me say something. I say, that's it, coffee. Oh, go. What want it? The secret. Oh, I saw my county.
Oh, George.
Oh, die.
Oh, George.
Oh,
why are you pushing the man, eh?
Madam, my crime is I came to look for Abawa.
George, why do you always quarrel with people who come to visit Abawa? Eh? The other day it was that young man, and today it's this man.
Yeah, me da Abawanti, and I'm yes, son. Me born home. Said about your BBA hand. Ati, me person be me dia baba hand. Ati.
Why do you think men who come to visit Abawa will take advantage of her? Anna, open.
Oh, opa. Yeah, onyafi. Ati me person be me dia baba srasra no. Ati, be me baba bia me ne ba ko.
Then I think you're overprotecting her.
Me ne maka no me say me mo bia ma. Asma me kan no. Na order afan. Hey, oh why? Hey. What of the door? Ha, sister Bawa one.
Ago. Onuabe. Amse. Enena me di me wo fa ase ni mpom ye du fie e mo awade. Me ni uda da so yin papa. E ti koso aye benya me ni mo no. Anu tin me yima komam e dem de hye ma wo. Me srew. Ese se o ma su ba no ye de benya me ni mo a enam so ma me di me wo fa ase ya ma wo de bia.
Dufie, I have known Ben for about 2 years now. I know him to be a gentleman, and I believe Dufie has gotten herself a good husband. Dufie, and paying for say, our ne kwanwa, and to walk on me srew, and for our some enkobon group. Show who you kumasi ayon kwon. Inti, by Uncle Pa, no one more to pa.
Yo, Abusiafo. Send your Bible eka wo emebusem. Eti du nwotwe nchichema aduonu mienu no. O say, ne onya oyire no, onya adepa, na onya Onyankopon so animadom. Te sanete de a, ye nyina be sorry. Ne di mpaibo atai, ye nua be ma ne yire aifro yechi. Me nyina na so na ye ntai ye nua ba yechi. Ye da wase nyame twumfo ene anopei.
Hey, Pa George. Ena me ba wo ba. Me pese me hudi kudi ntia. When it's time na ma me ho ntomi. Aden ye di asem a.
Hwe.
Aden.
Abawai. Me de oyiye mu nti ela me yesa. E pe oyiye.
Wo pe wan yie. Afedi abrusu Pa George ma me ho ntomi. Aden ye di asem na ma me ho ntomi sa.
Na sa ba ne sa. Sa de enche. Na hukungu ye enche. Na me frasi ewura dem. E de me preso. So do hu oba ma bi. Na so ani gi ne ho na open no a. Be hu me. Na me preso a no afa no.
O ma hu se de nti. Adam me ma me una wo no ana. Adam me ma me wodoka community amount.
We abofra na ade. Enso hu ko tani a o se aba. Oni ma de afiri so.
Ade na fi suru ba. Me anwe ya ho.
Ma me
person ba udi o chire bi disi ho.
Me se me pre. Oba ma bi oba ha bi a fa da be se ka na ba to. Me tu tia won.
I have decided to move back to the village. I have enjoyed city life for the past 40 years. And now that I am on pension, I has run away from the noise and the chaos.
What about your children? Where are they going to stay when they return from abroad?
Oh, they have acquired houses for themselves. Better still, they can come to me in the village.
It's a good decision. The tension in the city does not make it a resting place.
I want the two of you to take good care of yourselves. Be careful about the people you choose as friends. Because what I have come to learn is that Kumasi Yonko and Yonko Papa, they pretend to like you, but they will be seeking your downfall.
Thank you, Papa. We promise to be of good behavior.
Hey, Yuki.
Sister, I'm going to the market.
Okay. Don't keep long.
I won't keep long.
And be careful of the pickpockets. I learned they are having a field day in the market.
Thank you.
Dufie. I hope the money your husband gives you is enough.
Yes. Why?
I think there is one thing as a married woman now you must know. Dufie, there are certain things in marriage you need to know. What I will tell you now is you have to start savings. You must make some savings out of every money your husband gives you for the market. You don't have to use all the money.
If you don't want your husband to know, I'll give the money for you.
Thank you. I'll think about it.
This is not something you have to think about. You must act now.
Debiarada, Opedodo, Wombo and Joe, Nia Wawa, Dodo Awa Manono, Dodo Na Wuhia, and Timu Famu Home. Yes, I will battery a dia sumbu, Mao.
Yecha, where is the meat on the food?
Collins, meat is expensive nowadays. Please, manage this.
It's expensive, so what? Don't I give you enough money?
Collins, face it. Your 10,000 cedis is not enough. It can't buy anything in the market. If you want more meat, increase your money.
Who should face it? Yesha, you are being influenced. Oh, be careful. You are being influenced.
Nobody is influencing me. The money is simply not enough. You have to increase it.
Were you talking to me? Huh? How dare you talk to me that way? Nonsense.
Wuntu mi fa wuntu wonso. So kache wo shwe fom. So ka se benkum e ya hwe ni fam. Diaboni to me so abapa.
Ba George.
Aba.
Eni o mebi ikoso ofie ha. Me dwuni ho amenti ase kura.
Aba ha de.
Wo be ma kura no. Wo yiri wuye. Wanya na otwe na kofa oba betina wo ntin.
Aba. Se do be ma. Oba ma do betimi aye de ofe bia. Na oba na se wukungu a ade afe. Asa na wakofa oba ma. Ansa oba ma besra wo. Ti oba ma de o timi so ye bia. Aba. Aba. Pesa me kasi mi chiro.
Oh.
Aba me kasi ma chiro. Sima ka chiro so bibia mi anbe.
Oh, why? Okay.
Na aba. Pesa me no wo.
O pesa ni me wo ho. She me ase kakra me.
Oh, aba we na o ti ase. Me pesa me wale o.
O pesa wo ware me. Pa George. Wa jini. We ti na so bia ba me nchen a, wo de ni ham. We fa ha wo de ni ham. Obi ba me nchen. Na oba be bomb is no kra no a, wo de ni ham. We ti a. Pa George, we shawa jini dem. Oh, wa jini no ordinary free dem be ka asem we kire me. We cha no dem. Sanko na kofa bra san na wa be ka de o kana kire me.
Aba me pani.
Minim se sa wonnim nyansa sa. Hwe ehwini wei wankasa na ofu wade. Umfifi wei wa na ofu wade wate. Wabodam papa. Wabodam. Come so me dem, so me dem. Mrs. Sorry na kwa.
Aba.
Mrs. Sorry na kwa. Minim se sa wonnim nyansa sa. Kan kwa. O shini be ma. Wo ani ase. Wabom su okrom hawo. Na nim tantan bia odigina wo sia gu anum. Ehun nam ni de mi gina we ya pot sia metia. Me pew. O china nso biom sambra ha wo behu. Wo check wo ho na wo ma wo namba. Na nim tantan bia odigina.
Hey, Yecha, what is in the bag? Am I not talking to you? What is in the bag? Let me see the content. This is imported wax. Where did you get them? Huh? Who gave this things to you? Look, if you don't answer, I will slap you. Who gave you these things? Huh?
My mother gave them to me.
Your mother gave you these things without informing me. Should she deny any knowledge of this, wallahi, you are dead. Huh? You will leave my house immediately.
Debiarada, Opedodo, Wombo Enjo, Nia Wawa, Dodo Awa Manono, Dodo Na Wonia.
Fire! Grab that wall and put it there. I will check it with your mother. And should she deny any responsibility, Froko.
Entimu famu humo.
Ago. Ago.
Aso. Nyabote. Yeah, wait. Hey. Aso, sit down, Aso. Oh.
Aso, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Do you care for some water?
No.
What brings you here?
Aso, yesterday Yeche came home with these items. She said you gave them to her, and I'm here to find out if it is the truth.
Oh yes, I gave them to her as a birthday gift. Why?
Oh, Aso, how could you do that without telling me? It's nearly brought misunderstanding between us.
Oh, I'm sorry. Bemena, why? I'm sorry. Honestly, I should have presented them to you to be given to her. I'm so sorry. I promise it will never happen again. I'm sorry. Oh, I'll come and tell you why.
I must be leaving.
Oh, wait. Your father-in-law says... yes. He said he promised you some money. That's so... idiot. Something small from your father-in-law.
Oh, but Aso,
please.
You know I can't take money from you.
Please, something small from your father-in-law. Please, just take this.
Oh, Aso, please don't do that.
Something little. Thank you so much. I can't hear about it. Bemma, you need me to draw so with you. It's a quick to see me and one year. Your woman, in Sian, so crying your shade. Ja, and you will soon know more with your heart. Just say, was soon know mad yet. Say, Palancia, a better winter. Hey, when one see I can't give you anyone who better.
Thank you, Aso. Please express my sincere gratitude to my father-in-law.
Okay.
I must be leaving.
Okay. So, take care. Yeah, no. Yeah. Like I said, you need to go tell them to shop. Hey, Jamas, we party. I pay more for the movie. You talk with me, movie. I remember when you said, one can cry and no more fair. What do you baby? When you make up, Everything is say yes, come on. Show what should be here, my boy, come to you. Near Biano Chroma, me do wash it. Hey, oh, fair. That's many. It's a the pub if ye.
Ben, I don't see you of late. Why?
Oh.
You don't want to mingle with us anymore.
Oh, how? It's just that these days I come home very tired. I haven't seen Brad Collins for some time now. Has he traveled?
Oh, he's around.
Okay.
How can you see him when you're so glued to your wife, eh?
It's not that, Sister Chan.
Anyway, let's talk about why I called you.
What is it?
I have observed something and I think I must caution you.
Have I done something wrong?
Oh, no. It's about the way you treat your wife. I think you are over-pumping her. You give her too much gifts.
Sister Chan, I don't give her gifts that often. But anyway, thank you for your advice.
Okay.
See you in the evening then.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
And a gun or so, a woman. Collins, Grace has sent these things from Holland for you and Yechan.
Okay.
Yeah. And these are her shoes. So, give it.
Well, thank you, Asu. Has she given the final date she wants to come?
She's still not certain, but I believe one thing will attract her home.
And what is it?
Collins, with all due respect, when are you going to marry Yechan formally? See, Grace is ready to foot the entire bill. Money is no problem. If you agree to do it, I believe she'll definitely come home.
Well, I've also thought about it, but I've not chosen a date yet. I will discuss it with Yah so that we can decide on the date.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that. Thank you. So, let me pack the things. And I nearly forgot. This envelope was added to the things.
Oh.
It's all for you.
Okay.
You're leaving now, I guess.
Yes.
Oh, let me help you.
Oh. So don't worry yourself.
Hey,
I'll be okay.
No. Let me help you. Hey. Here. I'm not coming to say me. Me to be crank. I'm very sure. Hey.
Okay.
Oh, let me help you.
Oh, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Is Ben in?
Oh no, he hasn't come.
Okay.
Nana, look at the shopping Collins made for me yesterday. And look at this. This and this.
Hey! Wow! I'm on Collins today, pound.
Hey, Collins of Familia grow. Hey!
Charlie, where do you come on crowd? Not where you know, Ben Sherman and I say. Calvin Klein, it's a media.
And this.
Yeah. This is straight from Italy.
Make how nice.
Charlie. And you is it? Shit. Cuckoo. Ship under. Ay, yeah, sure. Yeah, shad, you know. I mean, the things are very neat. They are very expensive.
Hey, no.
Hey, when you are there, not to so not what free water for. Right.
Double chaskeling king.
Hey.
Now they won't train them in Bansa.
Would you will be on person?
Yes, so born out pass him.
Hey, Dufie, what is in the polythene bag?
My new shoe.
Your what?
My new shoe.
Your what? Your new shoe. Let me have a look at it.
That's what they want Simpia.
Hey, now where there's Santiago and I said,
wait, a shoe lele.
Shoe lele. Aha, Dufie. Who could be my house to share? Now we open the
I mean, take this. Take it. Don't you see any difference?
Dufie, there is a big difference. Look at them very well.
And now,
taxi driver, wait, are you almost shooting one quarter of anything?
Hey, look here. My husband bought them for me yesterday. This is pure Italian shoes from first class boutique.
You see, Ben has to buy you something expensive.
Yes.
He should go to the boutique and stop buying you these cheap shoes.
now Ben will win baby.
Into what tomorrow now shoe and now what? Huh?
Monkey play by
Pass
side.
from them. Quay. Inti wait. What you say baby?
She. Nkrofo bi say enche no mato.
Ka dia no be ni fia.
Opon so be sin.
Where uncle?
Oche dodo. Wombo enjo. Niya wowo. So awo manono. So na wonia. Enti mu famu mo.
Fee, when are you going to make up your mind? You keep on telling me stories.
Sit. I have told you to give me some time. But you still don't understand me.
Look at where you stay. You live in the single room with that lady. Just look at my flat. It's too big for me alone.
Sweetheart, my sweetie. Dee, I know. But I cannot just leave that woman. Sweetie, that woman has helped me a lot. I owe her. And I don't want to be ungrateful to her.
How much do you owe her? I'm ready to pay for your freedom. I want to take you to my father. They are pressing me for the man in my life.
Alright. Just give me up to the end of this year. But please, let us keep this relationship at this level. For the time being. Please.
The end of the year is too far. I'm begging you. Please make up your mind, Fee. I'm ready to provide all your needs.
That's why I love you.
Give us 500,000.
That's all I love you.
I'm off to the market. Okay. Dufie, please come closer. Dufie, how much does your husband give you for the market?
Are you confused? She says, how much do you take to the market?
He gives me 20,000 cedis a day.
20,000 cedis.
Why? Is it not enough?
Sure. How can you take 20,000 to the market nowadays?
Hey.
Sister Cha, I try to manage it. To me, it is okay.
20,000 cedis is not enough. He can do better than that. You have to ask him for about 30,000 cedis. My husband gives me 30,000 cedis and I've asked him to increase it.
Thank you. I'll do something about it.
You better do. 20,000 cedis. How much can you save every day? Yeah? It is not enough. My husband gives me 40,000 cedis. But still, I am not satisfied.
Bombo Enjo, Nia Wawa, you draw our manono, you draw now here, and Timu Famo home. Yes, I will battery at Dia Sumbu, Dia Sumbu, Mao.
Ben, these days, things are very expensive in the market.
I know. At the lean season like this, especially food becomes very expensive.
So, won't you do something about it? You have to increase the money to 30,000 cedis.
I will. If you give me some time. Nowadays, the taxi business is not good. There are better days ahead. Don't worry.
So, does it mean you've accepted the 30,000 cedis?
30,000 cedis is too much. As a taxi driver, my pay is not much. I will increase it to 25,000 cedis.
If you know your pay is not much, why did you marry? I will not take 25,000 cedis.
Don't say that. Do you want us to consume every peso I make? Huh? You have to do some savings against the future.
I don't think that is necessary. If we can live today, why do we think of the future? Let's deal with present situation and leave the future for posterity.
I don't agree with you, but we don't have to argue over this. If what I give can only afford kinky for now, we have no choice.
Do you think I print money? Today this, tomorrow that. Look, I am fed up with you.
I'm also fed up with you. What kind of 15,000 cedis did they do for me? You have to increase it.
Hey, Rabba, do you know how I sweat before I give this 15,000 cedis? If you think it is not enough, you can pack and go.
I will go. Do you think I have no right to go? Some big men are after me. You have been a hindrance in my life.
Nana, I want you to leave my room now. I can no more accommodate you. Pack and go. Go and follow your big man. Go and follow your big man. Go. Go and follow them. Go. Go. Go and follow your big man. Go.
Baby, please. I was only joking. Please don't send me packing. I don't have nowhere to go.
I don't care. Go and follow your so-called big man.
Baby, please.
Menna obeye me apuskereke. Misika besa na adie no boho. Apuskereke. Me phone card besa na phone boot si wo. Me ji me phone card. Me kuta 150 units intact. Boot nyana. For phone boot ko.
Please.
Boot nyana. Don't touch me. Boot the fire me.
Steve.
Dufie, what happened today?
Why?
Why this food? Are you not going to answer my question?
What do you expect me to say? Haven't I told you to increase the money?
Come on. Do you want to tell me that this is what the money I gave can afford?
Yes.
20,000 cedis can do much better than this kinky. Don't be ungrateful. Do you think it's all women who get this amount?
I hope you are also aware that some also get more than 20,000 cedis.
Will you shut up? You are being ungrateful. Or are you using the money for something else?
Something else like what? Please, don't annoy me. Nonsense.
I'll take my kinky like that. So, what is the problem?
We had a little misunderstanding over chop money. I only asked him to increase it and he got angry.
So, how much do you give her a day?
Brother, I give her 15,000 cedis a day. And she asked me to increase it to 20,000 cedis. Brother, look what I say. And you know what? The most annoying thing is, she told me there are some big men after her. Then, she should go and follow them.
Be satisfied with what you have.
He gives you 15,000 cedis a day, and you don't appreciate it.
This world is full of deception.
So you have been putting that nonsense in a child's head. Do you know how much I give her a day? Go and ask her. I give her 10,000 cedis a day. And if you are fortunate to receive 15,000 cedis a day and you don't appreciate it, then it is up to you. Even with the 10,000, I'm still negotiating it down. It will even be an insult to plead on your behalf.
Be satisfied with what you have.
Who say no? Who say no? You are destroying the market. Nana. Let me enjoy my 10,000.
Look at you. Just look at you. Nonsense.
Round about.
Hey, Acha, is it true that Collins gives you 10,000 cedis a day?
Who told you that?
Collins, he said he gives you 10,000 cedis a day.
It is never true. You know Collins, he was just joking. How can Collins give me 10,000 cedis?
But that glitters is not gold.
Right done. Now I need somebody to go and plead with Fifi on my behalf. You leave everything to me, okay? I know what to do, okay? What do I offer you?
I'm sorry for my behavior yesterday. I shouldn't have said all that I said to you. Please forgive me. Please.
Ben, there is no need to beg me. It was just a little misunderstanding. You get up.
You know what? I have decided to compensate you.
Oh, there is no need to compensate me.
No, I was too strong on you. You need a sort of compensation. Take this. It's from my heart to you.
Thank you very much.
No, now put this inside. Let's go inside. Put it inside. Let's go. Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, Duffy, are you bringing us some gifts?
I want you to have a look at something from me.
What is it?
My husband and I had a little misunderstanding. And he compensated me with these.
Let me have a look at them.
They are good, aren't they?
No. Did you say you had misunderstanding and he appeased you with these?
Hey, Duffy, they are inferior. I am not impressed.
What do I do now?
I hope Ben is at the station now. Take them to him and ask him to buy a Holland wax. Have you seen Holland wax before?
All that glitters is not gold. This world is full
Sandra
of deception.
Please pick the cloth on the bed for me.
With what you have, secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go sabi. What are they carrying you round?
Thank you, dear. This is Holland wax. Have a look at it.
Go from one to another, looking so harmless as
You deserve something like this. Not these rats. Why is he always buying you inferior clothes? Go and give them to him at the station. The atmosphere will be to your advantage. He will be forced to change them.
Duffy, if he proves to be difficult, you can pretend and create a scene there. And he wouldn't like that. That will make your conditions accepted.
In this case, I am going right to the station.
Cool. Right now, go there.
Sister Child, please, can I take this along?
Oh, take it along. Why not?
Thank you.
Duffy, don't keep long.
Okay.
Yabaya. E mo afran wa say you.
Who are something move here?
Your man then.
So harmless as a dog. They are by so blessed to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. See Uncle and Uncle back. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for.
Young boy. I'm in here. From somewhere. Someone will look wide you.
From grace to see Uncle and Uncle.
What's the matter with you? Duffy, what is wrong with you? Huh? Have you heard any bad news from the village?
It is about the clothes you gave me.
What is wrong with them?
Look, this is Holland. And these are inferior.
clothes are good. All my friends over here bought some for their wives. So I don't see your point.
She will not see my point because I accepted your proposal so easily.
Bibi, what are you telling me? Okay, you please go home. Oh, we'll settle it.
No, I'm not going. We are settling everything right here.
Their voice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass, 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 grass. Masi yonko and yonko pa. Their words are smoother than oil.
Niewonimuani. Ade atia say polish. Shumeka niba. O penti kokko, no penti tuntum. So the call kunu ho. Ne jade o ti wo kire kire bi.
Won ko ba bia. Me fa me baba ma be ma oburuma. Na me nim se sa no wote ye.
Nyanko. Suma wutimi sesa wadio. Sakra wadio nyako sakra waden. Ewi ase da no ho so da ho bi. Sa na wodi sa de sa na kwakusu. Oja wa wale a obetena ha. Ufiri se me no ba doso. Na abetwe wafusi ho. Woti amangugu pa mu a aya wodi kodwa. Di nsu ata ho. Na wawe ni nyina. Enti oba de so wo metena ha meboa. Wo metena bi sa meboa. Me kam waso ate se oba no wontina fie ha enne anu watena achia se oba ye watie nanum asem na be ma no watie nanum asem
me pesa fu bia wona no metie
sa yo mate
tie hwimfi ni ho
mate wo
bia be wo na kudi kuna bro no na be ka bia ma no no wo di be ma na chi
enne ye dey enne
ma de sa na mu na motie
ka sa
na mu na motie
wo de ke kan yo pekire me sa ne nyina tie wan wo fe de wo be ko na usuban boni agya wo be sifia bribia abofra wanse oni a wo se yo ma mi suban na sua na ye me ya se kofie ni ha kofie ko ba bi okọ no ofiri wo bedura wo be hu kwa wo de be fa so wo di su janya mu kopro no baji mu saagin wo so baji mu saagin na kofie ba bi okọ bia no wo beba betu wo fie ha ye wo chire bia mangu ni ba.
This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have.
Mami Nyako and Ejako, I have come back for my wife. I am sorry for everything I did.
Hey, Krachi, what do you take us for? Do you think you can use my daughter as one of your properties?
I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. I will never do that again.
After turning my daughter into a punching bag, all you can say is, I am sorry.
Hey, Nyako. Adey. Abrante ye hu se wonu no. Aba be bunko to dwe wo wani. Ade tina fa no boni nche no. Asem ben na ba wiase a ye de sika na papa mu. Eya anu ya na ye de ka. Adey.
Gisa mewu. No fie won tunu na mu fi ekura ya se enko da.
Wo so asem ye twan dodo. Wasem ye twintwan dodo.
Kala to.
Adey.
Me na me ba no de me pe e na obeye. Krachi. The earlier you leave this village, the better it will be for you. Go, get yourself a new wife.
Secret eyes are longing for what you have.
Krachi. Kona da se ne wala. Na abai wa no ankasa no. Ne wo fa kofi no atu kwan. O na ejina ji awale no ni ho. No ba mi gidi se bibia be ye wate. Sole na ko ofa abonten kwan na afikire de no. Aha fa bi ha de ne ko. Na wase na no sa no. Mi suro do wa medo me.
Oh, Ben. Oh, please, let me touch the water.
Oh, thank you. Please, let me do it myself. I just need a bucket full.
Oh, no. Let me do it for you, please.
Thank you.
Ben, How do you manage to eat?
I eat from the roadside.
How they go from one to another.
You know what? I will give my friend Nana to you.
Stechel, Nana is too expensive for me.
When I want to hear you, when you say, remember, look, or no, or Jedame to say, where friend can we be? Our band, what should I say?
Are you sure?
Oh, how can I lie to you?
They are by so pleasant to the ears.
You know what? Give me some money. I will let her cook for you.
See them how they go from one to another. Looking so
when you come back.
Okay, then I will be back.
Do not fall from grace to grass. The words are smoother than oil.
Yes, come in, please.
The hymn singing, for that latest is not good. This world is full of deception.
I don't expect you here.
Oh, then she's here.
Hey, what do I offer you then?
Oh, nothing. Thank you.
If I may ask, what brings you here?
Oh, Ben. To cut a long story short, I have brought Nana for you.
You have brought Sister Nana for me?
Oh, yes. Why?
Sister Yecha.
Oh, Ben, you can handle her. And yet, when you must know why.
So, Ben, there's something there.
Oh, thank you.
Ben, didn't you go to work today?
Oh, no, it's my car. It's in the fridge. It's with the mechanic. It's with the mechanic.
But you have a very nice hair.
Thank you. My mother told me when I was born.
It's a long time, Ben.
Yeah. I even saw you the last time. Over there.
Ben, let me see something here for you.
Where?
I want to see something here. Oh, let me see. Let's see. Such a nice and handsome guy. Are you okay?
Not quite.
Then relax.
Yes, I want to relax. Take this one.
Ben, 30,000 cedis. It's too much. Please take 20,000 cedis out of it.
But 10,000 cedis is not enough.
Don't worry. If it's not enough, I'll add my money to it. You know I work. You have to make some savings. You don't have to spend all the money you earn.
Nana, I thought you were very expensive.
No, it is never true. You see, people have wrong perception about women who try to appear presentable all the time.
I have wasted my money and time. It's all the same. Thank you. I'll see you in the evening. Yeah?
Let me see you. are you doing here? I'm waiting for Ben, my darling. It's kept too long.
Hey! You know what? Hey, best name coffee. Ben is not a small boy.
Yeah, Chan. I cannot wait to see him. I've missed him, Papa. We know that they are two chances to dance one man.
Hey! Madam, you call.
You can't remember. You do it.
Hey. Nana. Into Ben Yelmo, say, hey.
Pacho. I have to soup him. I can't have. So now what do you want to mention? Sir, now you are 50 jamming. So I'll make fun of him. Pacho is. Men can't you? It's not now the make up. Massy uncle. Sana, I have 50 jammies. I can't use it.
Come on.
Dufie, and yes, I'm getting 20, and I saw never flew and never go Gracia. Eh? Dufie, hey yo, she what it? She and I know what? And know what?
No, on the honor. What you want? Yes, it's too much. You are more damn tear, and I'll come. I'm a reassy. Abo France, when you are Fen and Penfuas and Matthias here. No, as I was saying, radio was so when Yanka Sankasa. Was so when Yanka Sankasa. That's what's so near. Over bread, over top.
What you know, who caused the cook? Me so that Nam go up among Uber pop. She don't want to huh? Say ye, pa. What it? Where's there? What the name of the big war? Me worry. Where's an offer never back? What our hunting? What our hunting? Aden, huh? My bremo.
I fed your Moncasa. I fed your Moncasa Casa. Menu me the next you know. So she and Ancasan, and you know, minimum area weapon. Who have many? Would you have many? Once a wood to him. Oba na what you could have my, would him with you, a chebo de Siaboba. Somebody one never heard me. Papa and Aban. Pardon me, and then young government and what you say. Oh, you mean, oh, you saw you near him. Mujina, Batman Aban. Batman Casa, minimum, home if I were I bet you menu, ready order, and the men left your baby over your village. You are one of the name of Catchers, a blunt and won't go Batman Casa. Oh, you mean, oh,
I'm very sorry. Please forgive me.
What is the problem?
It's nothing really. I'll be very soon. Go and wait for me.
Nana,
Adiasa.
Is that you?
Do you know her?
Offer. She's my friend. She convinced me to come to the village.
See, I told you that Kumasi Yonko and your Yonko Papa. So what more?
Echa, I'm visiting my brother in my hometown. I'll be back very soon.
Nana. Hey, can I have a moment with you?
Echa, I can't wait till I return.
Oh, Nana, I said a moment and I mean a moment. Aden, okay, what is it? It's about your dress. I've never seen it before. In fact, it's nice there. When did you buy it? Or is it from Ben?
Echa, what is your problem? I mean, do I have to tell you every little thing I do? So, I can't even have my own privacy in this house anymore.
Hey, Nana. What have I said wrong?
Echa, don't spoil my mood, okay? Fine, Ben bought it for me. Are you satisfied?
Hey, Ben bought it for you. I'm satisfied. That's all I wanted to know. Ma promo to acquire no. Hey! If you have a poor share, you know what's over to but wash this, wash that. Right. I made a mistake. Promotion with me. Me and the man, me will come them first.
Kumasi yankonya kra, and Madame Wow. Sisa wakuwa kwa hudo bebreso. Tisabu sonkotra ule uso. Itisho ye pa.
Good morning, sister.
Good morning.
I didn't see you yesterday at the meeting. Do you also live here?
Yes, I had traveled, but my husband has told me everything about you.
Oh, and you are married?
Yes.
Who is your husband?
Ben is my husband.
That taxi driver.
Yes. Anyway, my name is Nana.
Okay. And what do you do for living?
I do petty trading. But I'm planning to change my line of business very soon. What about you?
Me? Look at me. I just returned from America. As you know, the public refer to us as bogus. And you know, I'm finishing my house very soon. And you know, I'll move out of here.
Oh, you're lucky. As far as you don't have anywhere to go, you're welcome.
Thank you. Anyway, I'll leave you, to finish your cooking.
Okay.
Have a good day.
All right. Let me just see.
Hey, Boga.
No. No.
Boga, we're 2 years ago.
Don't say one day. I wouldn't know. The bank message. Me, she can me calam. A coffee wine.
Hey, just say the one who made it as a dear and the other.
Hey, I hope you know.
Oh, quite.
Oh, well,
let me see, Boga. When are you returning to America?
Well, you know, I'm building my own house. It's under construction. As soon as it's done, I'm off.
Yeah? You have a house?
Annie.
Lucky you. And why are you living in this poor environment? You know, boogers like you don't have to live in this area.
A chapa. Nancy Wono. Once again, can't you be sending me, no, Shemi? Sylvia. You can't you be sending me your bugger? Me. Flat. No. Me need you. Me yet to tell me what Ash Town. Oh. And you know what's now on Sana? Me bugger no more your bugger. No more Sika. A bit to tell me what for Chumesi. Oh, Pesica Srancasa. Oh, and see, I'm a person me keep be low profile. There's a man who say, maybe no bugger them no. I am the toto. Oh, me per se, I'm a bad man better. Me bomb who would chat. I'm sure who's here. Oh, you know, Sasha line. Oh, the way I
make her so dear. When you have to make control,
you play me bugger on pen once.
Baga na.
Ompe no ho asem.
Ompe ho asem ampa. Anka yenom sa de oni e betena side. Na America. Emfa na o bro no be na o.
Ah. Encha na ni udi nkom an kancho. Me sinna me wo Monaco. Ye.
Monaco. Ah, na say Monaco dey our France. Monaco. I want my sister penny wo.
Encha. Unim se Monaco no. Eye mienu. Mama nkancho. Eti said dey. So onim koforia. Ba ko Ashanti region na. Ba ko so Eastern no. Ane, etu do pa wote sakra tu ni made a wo school kakra. Busa no, se mo na akonye mienu a. Why? Ada unyi ni ana.
Oh, na so unyi ma. Ada unyi ma obi sa ni a kira. Sister, you know to no po ka so nko ani mo na ko.
Efi no, aya wo de ka tente wadam.
So ka se benkum eya hwe ni fa. Dia boni to me so abapa. Debiarada. Opede. Woman angel, Nia wo go our man.
Our penny breno. Why busy and pay? Hey, Nana, could you spare me a few minutes of your time?
I hope it's in the room.
Oh, not at all. Nana, may I know if I have offended you in any way?
Ah, Echa, why this question?
Of late, you don't talk to me. You only greet me. Have I done something wrong?
My dear, don't worry your head. You've done nothing wrong.
No. In fact, I don't feel comfortable around you. The other day, I asked you about your dress and you made me look stupid.
Ah! Don't let me feel bad. If I have treated you bad in any way, it wasn't intentional. It's just that I want to keep certain things to myself, that's all.
Nana, you know between you and I there are no secrets. Who can't share them? Some can't. And then how do you say? Me one am can't.
I know. But you know that's not good enough. We should have our limits, you know. But between you and I, there are no secrets.
So are we know there are no secrets.
Hey! Chan, wash the clothes for me. I'm going to the stadium to watch a football.
Hey, excuse me, ladies. Let me soak them and wash them later on, okay?
Echa, hold on. Why do Ghanaian men entertain this primitive act? How on earth did they expect somebody to wash their clothes for them?
But she's not somebody.
That is where you are wrong.
Please, she's his wife.
That is where you are wrong. Is the wife supposed to be a maid?
Now, Boga Sylvia, who does your husband's washings?
Washing machine.
Washing machine. Oh, that is what you use for your washing.
Washing machine, of course. Listen, Echa, tell your husband to buy a washing machine for you. Yes, I will send you now. Best say you. Show us. Oba ko kama pa with the wash. Now do say senior mercy. Titi line na ni say you. We just think I can compare washing machine with bro.
Yeah, late, baby mama.
Me try.
Are you worried like that?
Mamenka, simple why so waka.
See them how they go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dog. Their voice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi yonko and yonko pa. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have.
Why? Is it anything about Nana?
Oh, no. No, it's about myself.
Why? Do you need any help?
Not really. I want you to talk to Collins for me. Sometimes he treats me like a maid and I don't like that.
What really has he done?
If my husband wants me to do something for him, can't he call me aside to tell me? Eh? It's embarrassing.
Echa, Nyabotre, you have your peace. I will make an appeal to him when he comes back. Okay? I think it will be alright.
And you, Ben, where are you? You used to call me sister. Because my mom a big fish. Oda shark. Oda bunzu. Who frame me a chance? Respect swat.
Sister Cha. Sister Cha. Sister.
I'm from my sister. Me ye free.
Me fraud. Sister Cha.
See uncle and your papa. The words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing, or that latest is not good. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. The secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go start to see. What are they carrying? Round, round and round. See how they go from one to another. So harmless as a dog. They are by some lesson to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. See uncle and uncle pa. Their words are smoother than oil.
Ben. Good day.
My brother, you're welcome.
Thank you. You seem to be home early today.
Let me see. And then I decided to take the rest of the day.
Oh, I see. All right then.
Collins. Oh, really? Some few minutes. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, okay. Why? Are you in any kind of problem?
Well, not really. It's not about me. It's about your wife, Echa.
Has she insulted you?
Oh, no. We're quite a can say. Or the Joatone Berman say I should talk to you on her behalf.
About what?
In short, she said she would prefer you talk to her about certain things in private, not in front of her friends. So, what did you patch us?
Yeah, no problem. But Ben, anyway, thank you very much. But Mami can't some show. Say, a ma we won't want here. It's so quite a fast one. Obey one. I want to say, Buffer. So one Tiana, Obe proud to say, Poto. A ma de so judge our mamma. So ni more, Oba, and then what in the hanky mount said, Nessie Mammy. But now the doors of a mouse is. Oba who don't cry, say we know. What the Sana Oba Yakofani by Crasini, Dufias and wine. But I didn't know any answer, and one and Namuso. Oba the woman Pesao, woman 1 yard. Obeko by 10 miles. Bema de Ujaja, Oba enough, who's seen in the Yama. Obey your toll again, obey your toll again. So, why how don't be fast? Oh, what to do? Who hear the doors in our Mosi? Internet, who hear about the Osaka Jananka. You know, no mind, I'll say the Luffy. Have I been treating you bad in this house?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then, what did you tell Ben? Is he your spokesman? Is he your spokesman? Tell me. Is he your lawyer? Is he your lawyer? Then, you have turned yourself into FM in this room, and you make sure you announce everything that goes on in this room to the outside world. Is that what you're doing? Is that the training I've been giving you in this room? Is that the training I've been giving you? Is that the training that I've been giving you? Huh? Is that the training I've been giving you? Get up here. Is that the training that I've been giving you? Now, listen. And listen carefully. If you don't like the way I treat you in this room, better pack your things and leave before I kill you. Sylvia, you have to find someone to pay them. What's the mechanic? They life no. Huh?
Where am I gonna get this money from? I've done whatever I can to raise the money. But
what? Huh? But what? Look, Sylvia, no matter what the situation, the condition you are in now, you have to find someone to pay them. What's the mechanic? There's some phone no. Huh? Obvious damn one Jaffini now. Now what says can cruise can you do this? I didn't know this can here. What do you do with that money?
I don't want to talk about it. I gave it to my boyfriend and he duped me.
Sylvia! So you mean you gave the money to Josh? That good for nothing guy. My God. Sylvia, you're very stupid. The boy here come on, huh? No kuska kese say my boy no the good maso. What's the record trouble? Look at you. Starving in this room. You're down with him. Fan could be see them her. Fan could be them her. Huh? Let me tell you, if you don't find some money to pay them, I will direct everybody to this place. What's the mechanic? What's the mechanic? Officer, what the can I do? Also, what I would do, no, sir, they go swing at it. I'll go with them too. And that's what them I'll come to. Fucking girl. Tell them no kind of answer that make a tone. And the job, I'll go with them and they'll break. Crown many new crowd. But crown was many new.
Who is that man? He looks very angry. Any problem?
He's angry because his sister promised to send him some money. That's why.
Yeah, maybe he needs that money badly.
I know. I told him I'll try and call the sister, or I'll try and get him some money for him. So, and I will. So.
You have to. Then I think you have to, because I can't what, Papa. Please do help.
We may try na mabuawa. Now Becky can send to say the mena sika mena me person come send them now. Obi twam a na Becky say now Baba one.
I hope obi twam go Becky say o de ne come.
Sound. If me pay bia man now am happy.
We dey pay bi man na we dey. Anyu gwa say dey ketu abi o. Boga, you don't know where you Debbie, Mami Chishima. Oh, Debbie. And for Tao.
don't worry. It's exercise for me. I'm trying to lose weight, you know.
No. Wait. Me da mama nyamo. Hey, mention a whole burger like you now. Would na got na would chimi say chan.
Echa, we ma de konti am yes ade ni. Who say ya brought you hono? When yenye bi wo ho. Oh, yenye bi wo hono. Oh. Kemi nya photographer bi kran ko twa man ko twa me photo. Ikwa na me ya ko twa bro.
Oh, Debbie. And fatao. I say, tell me about Drews to be a canamania. The book has said the men down when she has a enemy was you. Inside the crank, a map number. Share. No one say, oh, but sniff. Yes, I see me do to me who cry, winning manka. What was salute to me cry? Who's so being Seminiano? Eh, Macjobia, some sister for it, and I'm sister Havana. Let's say if you're afraid of Bogger for fee. Bogger for fee. I'm in Child. Oh, there be other.
No one say Mr. Caddy.
Jai. I brought you for the mobile. Say so much. Say you want your what? It's not say.
Okay. Mammy going inside.
Oh, it's not.
So which one is the bug and a tear and a canteen?
Hey, no one area in your fear. Count. Bogger for oh, it's not say. Bogger so be a man, yes, and but I don't know about him. Oh, man, simple like she at the animal.
Hey, when you
may I down. When you ever because we had a friend. What it?
Nah, when you cheap papa. One at you.
Or one of them right. So don't say you're that area. It's a me chamway. Bogan yan na kono boga. To me fa to moso. O na chawo shetu ye fo. O na sebe kum aya Jennifer. Ya boni to me so. To me fa to moso.
Cha. Guess what?
Again. Well, by
where are the kids?
No, Diana, a woman could have to seek out the two and one Diana and I beg Diana.
Anyway, today I'm in a good mood, so I don't want any fight. I have a surprise for you. Have I talked about chop money?
Yes, I am a sister chairman. Kakana Manoman.
I'm serious. Look, I said I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes.
Surprise.
Ta-na-na. Open your eyes now. Oh, let me take your picture. Oh, it's a camera phone. Let me take it.
Oh, yeah, me.
Now, no, the smile is too big. Reduce it. We cry. We know by any other way, we travel to his way and talk us. Smile.
Give me a watch.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's nice. Share mirror. Share you can. Yami shawate. Yami another me cry romantic.
What are you talking about?
Huh? Thank you so much. Thank you. You're a darling today. In fact, I'll give you the food.
Oh, okay. But I don't understand. Why are you thanking me?
Surprise! I don't know if I say. What are they bring me?
Oh, cha. Look, this is my phone. It is not for you. Why aren't you happy for me that I bought a mobile phone?
No, not surprised now. Can anything? Me for phone.
Okay. She said, "Oh, the engineer, you're the mawa. Now come 1 mile." She said, "About to phone no. Ayo ya say, man farmer na me use unyasa." Hey, ya no more than money children to. Ade papa biya no e fa mu fitire. Enyasa. Fabra nsa na we wa be di hu bro. Fama me. Fabra.
Na de ntida kokra untimi nye romantic kwa ba kokra.
E dey betik. Me ni utifia won say me use mobile phone. Me ma use mobile phone na o be use mobile phone. They say oba mo ni agia ma me say banya phone na e ya. Na oba ne be ma hwa na say use mobile phone.
Who say mood?
Who be friend?
Oh, jawasem. Who say mood pa?
Ja.
E dey romantic. We are do fruit pe wo eduane me ma. Eduane kora bia ni wo. Semua apa? Mobile phone, surprise, I'm going to
Papa. It's a one scam to you. Huh?
I told you I don't have money. What do you expect me to do?
Hey, if you're paying for money.
My first scam to walk into the end.
One person into wow, huh? I don't even have one peso on me. How do you expect us to eat?
And I told you I don't even have a peso on me. Where do you expect me to get the money from?
If you don't have money on you, where did you get the money to buy the phone yesterday?
Are you talking to me?
I am talking to you.
Look, who dance my catch us a who's What? Don't disturb me this morning. I told you I don't have any money on me. Why are you disturbing me? We are all fasting today.
Nobody's fine. Yeah. If we are fasting today, what about the kids?
You, me, the kids, we are all fasting. Fasting is good for the soul.
Hey, if you're papa, who are first to Banoni for bien?
Are you talking to me? No. You come out again. I know if you are just
when I'm about to our food say, what about now? What I can do? One man crowd be.
I'll come and meet you in the evening.
Oh, and then you are back home. I am back home. Who am I going to tell you, Mr. Gentleman? And who be your day? I am going to say, I did the Cobo. Who are to me? Who are to me? Doing me about the Hamon Panaso. Who be who? What up? Who said Father Christmas? Adam, I can't come to the no dear. Me, I'm in the best of sorts.
See, Uncle and Uncle Pa, their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold, 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 gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go sabi say, what are they carry you round, round about?
Echa, are you okay? What's wrong today? I saw your husband very angry before he left for work today. Echa, won't you mind me?
Sister Sylvia, I'm fed up. I am fed up with this marriage.
What? Is Colin beating you up today?
Do I have to beg Collins for housekeeping money?
Echa, so you are telling me Colin is not responsible man at all?
Sister Sylvia, the least said about it, the better. Collins is asking his children to fast. And you call this person responsible?
Maybe he doesn't have money.
Sister Sylvia, don't defend him. If he doesn't have money, where did he get the money to buy a phone yesterday? But me, I have my plans.
And Collins are more than a walk away. And where Jawa see was a wound, Adriane, and many. A child then was saying, sir. Ah, Bember in a fuka cracker will close Frabantin or bar. Who said, did you become a fuss already? What's no? Sanka Yamia, and can you Kobe review one water? Even Pediani be and sin what? Perchance in one to say the way Adrian to a ban of a fair dear. What happens in Koboa from Huma? And can Benya be a diamond Watton? Hey, a 10-year-old bro. Once you are back, my comment is so. When it's so, who crab for her neck? Now, what didn't quite as much trouble. A time come in what? Mr. John in a court. Because they won't born so. Who been now be papa, Wosika, no funeral from Kaka. What show? Ah, also, I know Siano Cono, but no drink as electricity bill crown or no. Yes, I dear who here no con with Fiassy. Ah, a town pie, our railway dear. Sorry, no court. And I'm in Cobo, my money.
Baby. To me, far to also. So, catch a wish, social form. So, Casabencum, a jenny found.
Mommy, I don't like the way Collins treats me of late. And you know my mother is not here. That is why I've come to tell you. Oh, now, Mommy, be pass and Pepe catch Collins.
Yeah. Any kwan say, would this any maniamano? Way. Our real kwan 1 years friend our real. What you say? And yet, then you know, now, Kawarima, Ubena dead. Edu baby abenya no dede edu baby so abenya no nyonyonyo ni nyina nkoten eti wo se wunya abotre na de bibia hwe de bibia be hwe de aware mu nsam de ye mfa tena fie bebre enya se wo ko ya aka bibi kitwa bia na adimi ka no abafia be bo amane ye nkwa aware sa aware ti se bepo wo fro na wusane eti bibia ni enya abotre unru baabia wo se sia wo pa aba wa aware mu sa ye enya abotre wo te na meka kire won
Mommy, you should see the way Colin treats your daughter. It's very bad. I've been in the house with them for a few months. And then what did you pull up? Bono do us or Banacro Bank was some
Rabba. Men cuss us some fancy me or Hassi. Men cuss us some young papa win young Kunam. Nessa be been and a Hannah. Ube tunephone, Ubunabem. One person would tell me, I'm Wokunu. Mikuya Bruni or America. Me want him boom the way I call him Ebonisan. I ain't too much a crime to know. Robert, but Uber 24 pa, Lejania, watch on. Where you friend your uncle? Ah? Me the way I'm in Peninsula in the Bediago. When you're your uncle and any auntie. What? Now your uncle wants him to phone carry inch. I didn't know. Ah?
Mommy, is she not saying the truth? Huh? Is she not speaking the truth? You should see how Collins treats me in the house.
What did you mean? That's what I was so young, who it's near truthful. I will buy the grace. Huh?
What she's telling you is not a lie. You have to listen to it. You do know what I go through in the house.
Mammy can't show. Master young body, and your young couple. May can't show. When you know two big shot. Well, young one dear pet, Asa. And what they on the Bemwa, be beer bedin. Oh, none of my friend me. I catch him silence. I bring his car. It was also pay back on what the other. Near ye be a nephew. Now, but sir, it's not make a choice. I abutre any of the worry.
Mammy, abutre. Look at this. Do I have to beg Collins for asking me money? Si come me the year, Diana money Libya Pojano, just some panicho. Me the year, Diana Ma would know my Edino so. Do I have to beg him? Me mean to me,
abutre. Our real bunkum to any fancy jabunkum. A near down for each. Nancy, you'll be back and show be our warrior and Saturday in your pet. Oh, we are no, your way, what I give you or they worry, and walk to us. Let us a young flatten away.
Must your corner crop, or you know so do, Nansu Otto, when you won't find Joe, and Tima Wenny now, ye, and yes, I will bet we are sitting.
Oh Lord, what am I going to eat today? Where am I going to get the money to pay the electricity bill before the close of the day? Nah, I'm going to buy busi nsu na me buy me ntwe. Kwa ne din sika be ma me bi. Na me nko hese na be ma me bia. Ja na de e bia me de ma me fa no ho a. O be ma me bi.
Nana. Oh, can you do me a small favor? How? I gave my sister some dollars yesterday to go and change it for me. And she hasn't shown up yet. And I just have to pay my workers.
So how much do you need?
Only 4 million cedis. Hey. Nana, please. 4 million cedis. Hey.
I can't get 4 million. But I can manage to raise 1 million if you wouldn't mind.
1 million. 1 million per day. Then, sir.
This is 1 million.
Mommy did this so.
Sorry, I don't have money. This is all I have. Even this one is my husband's. Please, manage it.
1 million.
I don't have any money.
You never come, baby.
It's all the money I've left.
I'll manage it anyway. That's why. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good.
Come on, man.
Ifira, how much is the electricity bill?
Yes, yours is 43,500.
43,000 pay. Okay. Here any.
Oga, esse skia abunsu bebre.
Oh, minim. Fafato. Oh, eti busumi bia so a. Na de wuti film. Ti ya besa. E ma nso. E ya besa no mehu. Why Fira? On say ye mu ye bogus de. Ye tua bibia, ye tua in advance. So, into the next month. I say wuti film. Yes, I feel na dana oh may have me nap bi no na be bo punu ma de 70 said de bia na o ha calling no why to the man ho
why Morgan no
if you're
nipa say na mpese mo betra me fio ni nipa biti se calling sa de bia woni me kun sky be ho to kwai
there's one dey wonya ba mu onu de bia no ne yire e cha o mako ni hu bi krada me ka me kunu no a ana nka America kuma bone na ba akukra ma ona ma no o so na
na hanya America
sometimes na the America life ni bia abe fraka
Morgan no
if you're any me ko manu ho
yo hey na lanti bia o san lanti kam
55,000 cedis for just 1 month? Why do we operate commail in this house? Huh? Or do we operate commail in this room? Or do we have the whole vacuum situated in this room? This man, no, I have to see the original bill. I can't just. How?
Collins, 55,000 is not too much.
Oh, shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. If 55,000 is not much, why didn't you go and pay it yourself? Do you know what 55,000 can do?
Look.
I have to go and see the landlord myself. Good evening. Why do I have to pay 55,000 cedis for last month's bill alone?
Collins, you know that electricity tariffs have gone up, don't you?
But to pay 55,000 cedis for 1 month there, Evira, please, it's too much. Oh. You have to do something about it.
Collins, there's nothing I can do about it. Why do you always argue over bills?
Yes, it's because you always escalate it.
Collins, I am not a cheat. You know I have no control over the bills. See, if you don't have money, just let me know.
I have money, but I won't allow you to cheat me. It's as simple as that.
Oh, Bemana, akasakasa bebre, enfata, nejai. She, Sylvia Obabesia will challenge the Amabroso.
In fact, I buy one of Mushi, that's in Biamem. So, no, dollars, no, who the Onfanya. May I know what to do with my money? Please, this is just your room. Bring the bill. Let us all check it.
Me see me file electricity be behind now per 2.
And there's some now only a electricity as someone and your wasn't a yabayasem. Into a buy so jama and any other chair. Send your Kululu now, we are a hundred with them, a Benewa. I want to be bill in money in I share. Same son necessary to ya, Metia.
So, electricity bill, I shall. Konikusi, what?
And yes, I would few some beer, but no, Na me because I'm who bill na. Enya dia me check up prepare. This say nyina atia na electricity for bedum no. On dum aye nyina yenko ne yenko kan no asem.
Ah, wo de see.
Anya sa fa buffalo.
Ah, wo de see. Ben katechi de bia na wo kun bills. Ale. Eba wo ba be see akra be nya wo yi.
Nana, did you witness Collins arguing with the landlord?
No.
I saw him arguing with the landlord because of the electricity bill.
But that is his right, isn't it?
Electricity bill so the be mad one be dreams ana anye dey. Say Greg can you adwuma. 55,000 cedis painting no. Only landlord ko akoho, ekoko. Eso yes ade ano anya ade. No ya be makotobonku.
Hey, Sister Sylvia. Well, that is his business. Me, I don't meddle in people's affairs, okay?
I see you na native and say me be catch on even baby.
I don't meddle in people's business. If you'll excuse me, I have something doing.
Ah, na wo so yako. Koi. Ko ti asane be ka chema na mu ye mu ho e yum pese obeti. Ko na me tibi ma asema be ka chewa.
See them how they go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dove. Their voice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass, 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 grass. Masi uncle and uncle pa.
Acha, wash the trainers for me. I'm taking it to my mom tomorrow, so wash it now so that I can take it tomorrow. I'll be back.
Excuse me, Mr. Collins.
What can I do for you?
Why do you African men want your wives to do everything for you?
It's because they are our wives.
It's your wife, your slave.
Okay. Who more the own? Huh? And I will say some collaboration. I'm going to say, "We will be ama."
Sister Sylvia, Aden, it's okay. It's my responsibility.
It's okay. African women, wake up from your slumbers. Are you his slave? It has been never done in America. My white husband do everything for me.
I know when it's because those guys are fools.
Fools.
And you marry them. They don't marry you. But here we marry them. So please don't get me annoyed.
Nah, I there so.
What's that to talk? And mommy to chow and swat it. What the mommy ran us and papa no over who them. And you all you know is playing Ludo in the house and spoiling their minds.
Yeah, boy, you know we say no.
Look at her. Who does it now?
Echa wa hefa. Brian Twaso no ko. Ni who be ode. Ye dru be bi agro na ye den na wo ba be si. Mr. Colin, what can I do for you?
Please, don't be angry. I need your help.
What sort of help?
You see, I want you to take me to America.
America? Are you sure?
I'm damn serious. You see, I've been doing everything I can to improve upon my life, but nothing seems to work.
Colin, don't worry.
Serious?
Yeah, because you know, I know how Ghana is. Life in Ghana is too hard to live in. Oh. I've been in and I know, you know. Well, you know, you can't stay here to take care of your wife and your kids. Don't worry, I'll help you. But,
see, just a little, not enough. That is why I want you to help me.
Colin, Mebwa.
Thank you.
But you also need to try and gather some money, you know, so I can use the little that I have to support you. Because Ukobana unamni yo boga na utira dasane yo de. So now be you know, nyeme. Timi sewa pekakra. Na de mesumu wo no. Oh, na me de aboa. Why? So what I'll do, I'll think about it. Why? Na me nwe hu. Ti anwumire. Oh, anwumire we. Bra, e cha da. Afa ho aba na. My head de me ko do ye. Why?
All right. No problem.
Thank
you very much.
Antinetio. Akwa we pa o pa brocha ko. Na nka me ye connection woman a. Ka me ame nko e. Na me kwa brocha ko ame hu oda. Ah. Me nko abrochiro. Onu de opebi akọ. Airport to go, I think I'm in Mua. Coming in Kenya. If you have for the hell, Jimmy D. If you're doing one, I'm a tough, you know. And some cock, you should show bug a beer. Oh, don't say I won't. Now, the first to see kind of back home. But the very few menum, you may name a body. Uncle Jimmy do. Ya bopi. Kwa we pa. O de fabra. Why? We do back up.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Colin. Please take a seat.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Colin, what can I get for you to drink?
Oh, nothing.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes, I'm sure.
What can I do for you?
Well, I came in connection with the request I made the last time.
You know what? I have thought about it, but there's a sacrifice that you need to make.
Please, you really need to look at my condition and help me. I really need to go to America. Please.
You know, I was planning to take my brother to abroad, but because of your request, I dropped him, for you.
Serious? Oh, God will bless you. And He will continue to bless you until you are blessed.
Oh, come on. Mr. Colin, I want you to make me a promise.
Oh, I promise.
You don't even know the condition and you have made a promise.
Look, with America, I don't need to know the condition.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, the condition is just simple. I don't want you, telling anybody, not even your wife, about this.
Okay. Okay.
Umasi yako nyakra, oyanu sodo, nansu otao, unyawo fancho, intima wani na hoye, enyesawo beshi asiti.
How did you manage to get a taxi?
Nah. Ghana is hell. I couldn't believe it. 16 kilometers from Kumasi. Hey, Ekwano Nana. Two. Okay, America. Ekwano me and Sanam. Nami and Sanam. Then I'm to say shit. I like to say Anne, what to come? Ghana de mo papa. Hey.
So did you come by Trotro? Because I believe no taxi will ply that.
Me Trotro. I managed to get this Ajaji taxi, and I paid him 150,000.
150,000 what?
150,000 cedis.
Sister Sylvia, that was too much.
150,000 is too much. Well, the taxi driver, I feel so sorry for him. He couldn't even offer to buy himself a food or for his family. So, I thought I'll give him some tip to take care of himself and some for the family. And anyway, this reminds me, your husband is a taxi driver, isn't he?
Yes.
So how does he, take care of you and take care of himself? How can he afford with this taxi driver business?
Oh, I'm okay.
Nana, I'm not talking about just okay. Look at yourself, a nice lady like you. You need a nice man, a nice man who can provide you. You need a car for yourself, a private car, so you can drive around, feel good. Taxi driver.
But Sister Sylvia, I'm doing fine. Me, I appreciate everything my husband has been doing for me. I'm all right.
Okay. Well, think about it. I can hook you up with, a rich man who can help you out with all these things that you need. Even a nice car for yourself. Change what you know. I can't change now. Think about it.
Rain, if you don't close the window, just screw your boss, this way.
I've been hearing some rumors about you.
Rumors about me? What is it about?
Well, should I call it rumor? No. If a reliable source told you something, that's not rumors, is it?
Look, Sylvia, tell me, what did my wife tell you?
Is that true that you're not formally married to your wife?
If she's not my wife, why do you refer to her as my wife?
Well, I'm not the one who is saying it. It's your mother-in-law.
You mean my mother-in-law told you this? What does this woman want from me at all?
Paul, is that true?
Look, it is never true. I wonder why that woman keep on spreading false information about me. Anyway, I don't blame her. I blame her daughter. But the time will come.
Don't worry about it.
Anyway, Jibunzano. Hey. It's exceptional. Come on.
Thank you. My dear. You know, God has blessed us. And things are moving on smoothly for us. So, what prevents us from getting married?
Banana, I want to consolidate our future. But some timid men I see. You know, at least me am to me taxi. So, I colonize it. You've been be from one.
Please, don't disappoint me.
Nana, you mean Nana? Weighing in energy. Ebebaso. Cross my heart.
I hear. Do you want more? Sister Sylvia, why did you say you live in America?
Manchester. Why? Are you surprised?
Manchester.
Ish. Why? Are you surprised?
Manchester. Didn't you say you lived in Monaco the last time?
Yeah, I said I live in Monaco, but you didn't get me. Before I came to Ghana, I moved to Manchester just to get a feeling of it.
Do you know this football club, Manchester United?
Yeah.
Isn't Manchester in the United Kingdom?
Now, who didn't know? Who took from her? When you say, a D Manchester, there was small one, small one, America. So my country is a fool. I want a minute here. Nanya Manchester United now, so sooner. Ghana Nino Marquez and Obama.
Yay! Manchester. Michael Essien.
Oh, Ghana. I
don't know about Chelsea. No. I don't know about Manchester.
Who's already? Who's newspaper? What da cry? Oh, Japan, I mean, move to Manchester, Honor. And to say what if you who could taxi driver in now, reading newspaper. Now, Mutiasa, now the Achim. What Jai show you don't know. Send who can crash on the mobile phone. Uncle Bianca, what friend? So about to newspaper, because anyone will news is for sure. No, everyone newspaper must account.
If you are seeing whom,
a man in you. Why, a man in you.
And you will say, Michael Essien, where Jai on board Chelsea.
Where Jai call a Manchester. I got now. You're more than why. Now, we are. No, my call them, made them, my cool picture, be a bit chill. Me Gina, Mr. Dama, oh, your true America was through. Oh, and Manchester, so what from? I take a photo. Because me baby, I may do be even cram no cram take a photo. Baby, I'm more photos.
And see, Manchester near American,
the American in your chrono. And a Manchester. A crabby, I say, a crack to any probably bring him home. Oh, any probably bring him home. Now, you're not your take a cram. Any anymore. Ish. Would have some way near Yamako Yabecho picture. Why? Me cry, Mammy can't back control. Or frame me. Oh, my case, or frame me, send me rammy the weekend. But don't say me no, my head tight. Me not time. Me knew me binti. Me knew me binti no. Me not time, Marco. Okay, has Opa, and me, my sister, young, and Madame for be asking. Only some boy no cry, a piano and Renee will phone to near trap talks. Hey. She now me can't say my wound on. Cabi do one pa. Where so frame ya ho, or frame ya. Nessa wa ha. Me man na kasa. No, sa na me kan. Me mwa. Mani nyu hu. Wo do he ma me kan tini jo. Nkan jo bi wa. O twa me na no. Oh. Say, obetwa ticket ama me. Oh, me Sylvia. Me could do just weekend. We only say 1 week bi just weekend. O be kwa na. So pa, embo kuna mani o. Na yenya no kuna yen twa ticket ma. Yen nyina ne enko. Awon na abu. Eni oba nka be du onu mu he. Me wo photos grow. Se me we are you ya. O wi a. Na ko ya cho. No hu se me makohoda.
Oh, but we dey me.
Ah, o wi ma ko ya be chiro. Colin.
Yeah, who is it?
I am here.
No, she went to the market. Why? Anything the matter?
Who is Alex in Holland?
Alex. Oh, yeah, yes.
So, who is she to you?
Alice is my sister-in-law, a child's sister.
Oh, so I'm not seeing a yampa.
Asambeng.
Colin. Yeah, I'm telling you what happened. Say a chance, sister. It's the card, bro. Say for Koyen on 1 day. Now, Krum has say Ghana. Beman, that you are bound 1 day, and I say, Obana, you're 1 day. Anyway, then, car won't bet you. Would you bear my influence them?
But where did you get this information from?
Colin, your mother-in-law, of course. I think, Collins, she doesn't like you.
You mean it is my mother-in-law who has been spreading all these information about me?
It's been going around everywhere. Come on, baby.
So it's my mother-in-law who has been spreading all this information about me. All right. Thank you very much for telling me this. But I will definitely look into this. Maybe she.
Miss Soshi Chimney, so who is Shamayana to Bumomidio? Why?
We American in Grammy, who said that.
We mean a good debut, the jammy. Who's ever?
Come on,
sir. Mama, true.
Would you depart? Ababa, we are what your friend says, Sylvia, someone. I didn't just walk out, Richie. Madam Injini, so I trouble.
Hey, I know Bokiti. I know won't be happy talking. I don't know to make you know because I want Snabridge and Coso at Snabridge. Madam Jidis was Snabridge. I don't actually say Sylvia and Snabridge. She Ababa, if you said you see an entire dear. She said you see Casa. Bruniba say accent, she or Casana Shremediatri.
Shrema.
Oh, Jai.
Framan, as Hakasa, you see, Krumia. Casa will say, beat me, Siakasa in Kawa. Who's young to me, Catas at the Okano. She, Ababa was so fear Bruchaba, cutting simple beans and down. Who can't them? She knew. Naminu, I see a cry, we are Senano. I don't know, catch you. One so can't summon there. I dear Chenan, you refuse some croquet. Okay, I want it. What's in the container? A bar, who be curtains different color. A big one may be near society. Uba benefit, and yet the sound on the sound. A charm. A baby, you know, Baba, we Yatian or the 9 and the 6. Why? Oh, the Dania me putu. She? A titty. Ayoyana. I don't know you, and Naman was say, or free Monaco. Monaco, Nanoti, and our bets nama. I said, was as Manchester, a bew America. As some way say, eh? A branch say your bobble, a friend, a Philip Essing, you say, Michael Essing was a woman. Nia Casamin, sir, Brancy or Chelsea. I don't know, Bisana was a Brancy and a boy, dear Ben, were America, a Monaco, Manchester, and someone I want to go on to. Again, into Unimiansa. What Jimmy? We are crossing in Papa. One name may, yeah, and him say, and conquer and full can't conquer. Of Mona only Monaco anymore. O share ya Hanoma, you will go for you, dear. O quite stay ready, cover you anymore. It is a Manchester or USA, maybe so UK, or no say a crack at get away and pack. Share, if it's done, I'm in a casa, me won't tell me, that. Me soon Casa James Ababa one word that I will fear best will be in Fabric, madam, two who said you moon fabric, one woman may Hey, me who say, are they? Wouldn't an infabon. In Kaka, cut I see driver for some and no champion. When do you be a bit jetty? Now football, then I'm for football. Huh? You're sure Baba way and Fana and Danny says we fear how. But the Danny says I'm able to. Africans love to drink. Mudro. And yet, Jai, I'm on a pencil. Munyano. Hey, Ubenya. Boga, why are you not on phone?
A charm. You know I came to Ghana to rest. And I don't want any phone calls to disturb me. All the phones that I bought, I gave it to my sister and her friends. That's why.
Hey, Boga, no think I'll pass them about.
Next time, next year, maybe I'm why.
So, which type of phones did you bring?
I bought Nokia D3 and Siemens D500. In fact, it was a lot of them.
Sylvia, V3 is the Motorola model, and there is no Siemens D500, but rather Samsung D500. Yes.
Actually, when it was launched, I think last June.
Sylvia, please don't lie. My boyfriend deals in mobile phones, and there is no phones like what you just mentioned. Yes.
Hey, Rita. Rita! What? She's talking about the very latest one, the very, very, very latest phone launched this June.
Hey, Sylvia, don't forget my boyfriend also imports phones from Dubai, so I know phones well. There is no phones like what she's saying.
Rita. Papa. Rita, what's your boyfriend? I'm going to phones in the free. I'll go for free Dubai. Yeah, American phone. Yeah, use the phones on phones. I'm an Chamariano. And son China for on my barbecue. How much did you connect Dubai for a Siena cano? Not Dubai for Apple. Oh, boyfriend, where do crowd? One Uncle Papa you free Dubai. Yeah. But every America for honor, and will be important because you are next on this when you be. Yeah, can't Dubai. Oh, boyfriend, I've been on that talk. Americano. But I am a couple of Sadian. Don't mind them. Be a man for them, yeah, Judy. Hey, don't mind them. My latest burger, fresh one. Bra, what is that?
Donna, oh my. Can I get the money I asked you to give me?
Dear, I forwarded the money to my capital. Eh? Please, give me some time. I'll refine it for you.
I needed to buy new ties next week.
I know.
I really need it.
I know. But please.
You don't worry, okay? I'm off to work. I'll see you later, alright?
Have a nice day.
Hey, aso.
Na dia muta hu. Hwe. Hey. Wala mu ya na mo koda.
What pay you? Yes, sir.
Me sa wo mu a.
Ni sa kan ma.
Ma ye mi hu
bia na mama me no mo.
Oh, nso de ye.
Hey, mami, akwaba.
Yeah.
Aso akwaba.
Yeah, Mira.
Na to mami pe yin kan de.
Oh, na ho ye. No akra no frɛ. Oso chia mu nyina.
Emi je ne so.
Jese de wa ya bro wa boga o.
Enya sam ketewa.
Yo, ene baby sakwan so.
Yo, ewie de boko. Eno ana Mary frɛ me. Na em say nkomo na yedi ye no. Afi na ode say aye ready ode atum. Nti no na memra me bisa. Na de wada roma. She time a yemfa enye aware no ho ntotoe. Nti no me ba betie date ya obde be hye yen na yehunu se na ebisi aye no.
Oh.
Sasa mpa.
Nti sense mo ametiti nyina na ye no kre.
Aseme.
Eda koe mu nyina aseme. Mase ena di sika fra brochire. Ebrem ya mma ye me yire ho ade. Ebi no kra de omo se Alice ena ebrem sika. Enti me nko na che se me de minister mase na me yire nua na ebrem sika e de ye me yire ho ade.
Oh. No enam krobem.
Dabi se sam pesa mo jima ni mo nyam free me sam. Enya sa.
Asem be na wo kai.
Na de be makateche de manyina dui. Obi na sese osom be ma me junso.
Oh.
Enya hwe me amepem sika me ye ready a me baba ye no ho ade.
Oh, aso. Asem me cha na Mary ene wo. Nipa na ya ka asem.
Ene ye kan say ye wi amfa me nkosi dwaso na mo nton.
Oh, da be nya ne sa aso. Asem we dey asem.
Shut up. Oh, wanu tum.
Ah.
Na bi send ko send dey mentumi o.
Asem asem kan say ya na nkoyi.
Masew na diska fi abuchire. Ebra me say me nya me yire ho ade.
Oh, aso.
Da me suma ye kwado tonti na maje na me de akoye da me dey ase.
Na you say me ana say e China dey asem ne nam. Say ye ne wa na
na me na me ko kan. Me na me dey asem no ko e ko kan.
Na asem okay dey so obi anim ho hwe. Na dey.
Nipa so hu enti ye na asem no pie ye.
Oh, asew jai sana. Say ye hunu da ye de be ye no na say oso wo anime me frɛ no.
Me say we me pere to empene no a me hia sika me hia mo bia sika me amepem sika me ye ready a me ya kwala no ho ade. Oh. Me hia bi na mba me foma de amfoma de nko.
Aso na dey bi.
Oh, shut up.
Asem bi esia na. Na ansam de na ekoso.
Asem wesi ni say edingwase a wonnam krom ha de gumi no me ntimi.
Oh, enkasa. Wan na betimi asori akogu anim ase. Neti ne wo ye nyina. Ye betimi asa firi wachi akogu anim ase. Amana ye.
Nje de na asem ne pie.
Oh, aso me nyesa.
Me ne so ne kan.
Enya hwe.
Na kuruma se masina pem.
Nipa din say ya de na.
Nya me pem sika.
Mesra wa se wo me pa acho.
Masi yanko nekra na dankwa. Sisa wa kwa kwa hudo bebre. Sabu sontuta ule uso. It's show.
I'm very sorry.
All right, then. In fact, I really have to be going. I'll see you later.
See you.